Good morning, Amma. So the question is given, Amma, x by y plus y by x is equal to 2, 16 by 21 and x minus y is equal to 4. You have to find the value of x and y. Amma. So those who are new to this channel, Amma, like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel, Amma, so that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very, very important, Amma. So here, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you solve this problem? Okay, if you are having any ideas, you continue. If you are having any better ideas, you can give the suggestions also. Your suggestions are accepted. So here, first of all, given x minus y is equal to 4. So squaring on both sides, x minus y whole square is equal to 4 square. So x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 16. Now if you take the second equation what you are having, x square plus x by y plus y by x is equal to 216 by 21. So taking LCM, x square plus y square by xy is equal to 58 by 21. Now here x square plus y square is equal to 58 by 21 xy. Now this value here you are replacing in this place. X square plus y square is equal to 58 by 21 xy minus 2xy is equal to 16. So here if you take LCM, 58 minus 42xy by 21 is equal to 16. So here 16xy is equal to 16 into 21. 16 cancel. xy is equal to 21. xy value is 21 now. So here from this you can get x plus y value. X plus y value is equal to square root of x minus y whole square plus 4xy. So here you can get 16 plus 4 into 21. So here you will get 16 plus 84. So x plus y is equal to x plus y. X plus y is equal to plus or minus 10. Square root of 100 will get here. Plus or minus 10 will get. Now if you solve this, x plus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 4. 2x is equal to 14. X equal to 7. Y equal to 3. If we take the second case, x plus y is equal to minus 10, x minus y is equal to 4, 2x is equal to minus 6, x equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 7. So these are the two possible values of x and y. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.